So it's time for us to transform our ideas from paper to actual products. So for this, we got some test units from the manufacturer. We put together a guide, we put together a spring, we tried to figure out the best way to create tension. And we also started, as you see, with a reverse drilling bit. We really wanted to see if we're going to try to drill this out, since we might as well try to start it out going backwards. Well, we found out that during initial testing at the manufacturing plant that doesn't work. The drills just come apart and you have to drill them out forward. So it's on for the very, very long plane ride that we go to Shanghai, China, to meet up with the manufacturing plant. Here we met with the engineers and the manufacturers themselves to show them what we have and what we want to do. Then they took their drill bits and showed us out to the drilling plant, showed us what they do with them and how strong they are, and then for us to test our products. So we went ahead and put in some lug nuts. We were to start drilling them out and testing them to see how they're going to do. We're very, very impressed with the strength and durability of their drill bits and how fast that they're able to cut through solid steel. Very impressed, and can't wait to test it on our products. Okay, so as you've seen in that previous video, that was 1 minute 4 seconds. That's how fast that drill bit went through our lug nut that we had brought for testing. Very, very impressive, but of course you're dealing in a perfect environment. All we expected was my goal is I wanted to make sure that we can drill through a lug nut in around 10 to 15 minutes. That's still going to save the technician an enormous amount of time, and also save the customer the phone call of, sorry sir, ma'am, we damaged your rim trying to get your lug nut off. So a win-win for everybody. We're very, very excited. So we know the drill bit is working great and seems to be a fantastic choice for us. Now we need to go on to the guide situation. Here you see our first test guide, which is the end of the result of what we end up making out of our guides. So instead of a slip fit with a spring and tension, we decided to clamp onto the lug nut using a collar clamp and sort of a universal guide. So here's the first prototype that we made right there at the manufacturing plant. They're so awesome, they were able to whip this out in just a few hours. So here we are, we tested it where we clamped down onto the lug nut with the collar clamp. We're so excited that this worked out so much better than our tension method, and well, as you see, we're still using it today. So with the new style clamp, we continued testing, met with all the staff, and said our goodbyes to the facility, and can't wait to get our product. Thank you again. Be sure and check out our website at lugripper.com and also our YouTube channel.